Hi guys, my name is Chandramani and welcome to this video. This is the second video of Windows Server 2012 R2, and on this previous video we have configured Active Directory domain services, and this is time to look into this what are the consoles being installed after configuration of Windows Server 2012 Active Directory domain services, right? See, if you look at over here, there are the consoles are there in Windows Server 2012 R2 after installation of Active Directory domain service. If you look at over here, we've installed the Active Directory domain services along with DNS, right? So these are the snapping has been installed, but in DNS it's showing the DNS configuration has been done, but some parts are there. Why I'm telling this, some parts of this DNS installation is pending. If you click over here and go to the command prompt and type this ns lookup, okay, I'm just typing the ns lookup, but it is not resolved. That means the DNS configuration is not completely done, right? So for that we have to be install the DNS. First of all, go to the tools and click over the DNS over here. Otherwise you can open the DNS in the DNS mgmt, sorry, DNS mgmt dot msc, sorry, dot cpl, I think, dot msc. Okay, I'm so sorry. So let it be. If you click over here, you see it, forward lookup zone is already configured, but if you think about over here, that there is no reverse lookup zone, right? So I think if someone will ask to what is the DNS, definitely the answer will come out like DNS is a name resolution protocol, and it uses to resolve name to IP and IP to name, right? But one part of this resolution is configured, that is the forward lookup chain, right? The remaining part is reverse lookup chain. For this configuration of reverse lookup chain, just right click over the reverse lookup chain and select new zone, right? Once the new zone you selected, this window will come to you, and just click over the next, and there are the different zones you can create. But as this domain and this DNS server is the first DNS server in my forest, so I have to be choose the primary zone. But let me explain all these things, all the zones, so it will easy to understand the DNS. The primary zone is nothing, it's a create a copy of zone that can be updated directly on this server. I means whatever the zones and records will be created in the primary zone, and you can edit and modify everything. It is the master zone of on your DNS server, right? If you create the secondary zone, when you create the secondary zone, I'm telling to you, if you in your forest there is a primary zone is there, right? If you think something goes wrong with primary zone, something goes wrong with DNS server, right, then where we will get the DNS server, right? So definitely we have to be create one another server which is replicated as a primary server. I mean, what are the primary in whatever the things in there in primary zone, that should be replicated in the secondary zone. That is called the secondary zone. So it's nothing but it's a create a copy of zone that exists on the another server, and this option helps to create balancing, I mean balance processing, I mean load balancing, or it's a create a fault tolerance, right? And the stop zone is nothing, it creates a copy of zone containing only the 3 records, not the 5 records. It creates only 3, that is the NS record, SOA, I mean stat of authority record, and the A records. So these records, right, just click. But as per my requirement, I have to choose the primary zone. Why guys? Because this is my first domain control in the first files, in the new files, right? So just click the next, and there are 2 options for the IP version 4 and IP version 6. Obviously I will choose the IP version 4 and click the next, and I'm just asking the network ID. See guys, before typing this network ID, I just wanted to concentrate the below options, which is written the reverse lookup zone. Whatever that written over there, it will reverse something. Just look at over here, just concentrate over here, and just type the network ID. It's 192.168.1.1. dot 1. If you see it, I'm written over here 192.168.1, but it's written 1.168.192 in addr.arp. In addr.arp means what actually? It's saying this internet address, right? And ARP means it's a infrastructure technology. This is the big topic of there. So we will discuss this chapter also later about the A record, right? What is this? We will discuss about the later the videos. There are so many videos will come in Windows of the 2012 series, right? Just click the next, and it asking the create new file with this file name or use the existing file. Sorry, so we don't have this existing file, right guys? So we have to choose this default option and click the next, and it asking which option you want to select, right? See, in production environment, in enterprise environment, we cannot choose this option, right? But as a testing environment, I am choosing this both secure and non-secure dynamic updates will allow. Just click the next, and it's showing this what the things we have configured in DNS, right? And click the finish. If you look at guys, the reverse lookup tune has been configured over here, but something we need to configure, that is the pointer record over here. Just right click over it, go to the browse and choose the DC and go to the forward lookup tune and open the cmsow.com and choose the host, that is DC1. This is my server name, and okay, I'm just created over here the pointer record, right? If you refresh it, sorry, just refresh over here, and now we need to type ns lookup. Okay, still it's showing. What the problem? For that we have to be diagnosis, right? We have properly configured DNS without any why, then it's not resolved. Go to the ncpa.cpl. okay, it's showing properly configured. Go to the properties. Okay, everything is good, everything is good, everything is open this, open the command prompt, cmd, then type ns lookup. Okay, now it's resolved. See, I think refresh was pending, that's why, no issue. Finally it's resolved, right? It's locate over here, it's results, it's our server name and IP address, right? I just given the network at 192.168.1, but it automatically takes the 5 also, right? This is not magic guys, this is the infrastructure is there in DNS, right? So we will definitely will go deeply in DNS and Active Directory domain services. For this video, I think DNS configured it successfully. So thanks for watching this video. So keep watching my upcoming videos. So definitely will get the idea of Windows Server 2010, and you can crack the interview and also exam. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.